Please would be bro, kacung tip nam tai khubor Laitkam, te kane ka we kade po Amlarem subdivision Amlarem, kade ka walk in interview, kade be direct interview. Application duly fill in standard form along with complete biodata, pendap lembaga standard form, ki data ke bro yang pi are hereby invited from the candidate who are citizen of India for filling the post in the office of the undersigned on contract basis for a period of 1 year, kade contract basis period 1 year, kemba kimi hakui ki subdivision room. The Kertang juga post ke office assistant under PM Push Scheme class 12 pass above with diploma in computer application. The kidan kamro ka desired profile qualification la bende minimum 1 year experience in field of online and office entry and excellent working knowledge of MS Office and management information system. Age as per government norms ka remuneration ka debet kat arajar shibanai. Applicants who do not possess the above criteria need not apply. The candidate appearing for the walk-in interview for the above mentioned post should bring along with complete application and photocopies of all certificate, mark sheet extra. Kan mau kada baik ke interview de pihak penbiang kita ke application gujung pi ra ai documents but original but photocopies but xerox. De hangnel ong ba ka date of interview kan de arp sau trik Julai arjar sau kapor kada shpo bejim step. De kamau kade hapo Amlarem subdivision tekin penlonghi hapo SDEO Amlarem subdivisional school education officer Amlarem subdivision tekitu ki bakwa apply salek hakatu kasni arp sau trik Julai arjar sau tangini jumtip khublei shibun.